If you are seeing the something went wrong error on Instagram, here's how to fix it. First, restart your Instagram app, close it completely and reopen it to see if the error disappears. If that doesn't work, restart your phone to refresh system processes. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restarting your router or using a different network. If your internet is slow or unstable, Instagram may fail to load properly. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and update it if available. If you already have the latest version, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to remove any corrupted files. If the issue persists, clear Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management, find Instagram in the list. Tap on it, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Check if Instagram is down by visiting Down Detector or checking Twitter for reports. If Instagram is experiencing server issues, you need to wait until they fix it. If you are using a VPN, disable it as Instagram may block certain IP addresses. If nothing works, try resetting your password or logging in with a different account to see if the issue is specific to your profile. As a last resort, contact Instagram support through Settings, Help, report a problem and explain the issue. That's it. Hopefully Instagram will work again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.